solve. So we used to give feast. We used to feast Esu Odara with palm oil, or that is epo pupa in Yoruba land. Adire, obi, uruko, that is e-goat, then e-cock. We used to feast the issue, all those things, or anything that is good. We used to feast the issue. This is another thing you are looking at is Osun. There is one Odifa in Egbe Orisa-Oko that states the useful of this Osun. Ifa says, this is Osun. Whenever we have any initiation or we have something, we used to carry it out and bring it out to work, like walking stick. So this is Osun. Anytime we have any initiation or we have something, it's another. It's also Orisha. This is Osun. It should be on standing, not bending or on the ground. It should be standing, and it should tall like this, about 4 feet. About 4 feet. This is also Orisha, as we are looking at.
Pregúntale si existe otro oso, otro tipo de oso.
Is there any other type of osun?
There is no any other type of osun. This is osun. If it's not tall like this, it's not osun. It's either 3 feet or 4 feet, but always on about 4-5 feet. We used to carry it out when there is any initiation it is the work to encounter or to scare all the evil spirits away when we are doing the sacrifice. So during the sacrifice, during the initiation, you will bring it. Is the one that we take out to greet Osun, Odu, Ogun, and all other Orisha during the initiation. You don't just take it out anyhow. It's always it used to be on standing with either Ogun or with Ishu. At times we used to take it outside there to beside that issue that is in front of the building of the temple. This is bed. Eye. This is Eye. After one finish the initiation, you can see the Iko there on it. After when you finish the initiation, when the Awo finish the initiation, we will take the Iko there, like the one. This is Iko there, like the one in your head. They will put it on it and slot Akokodire to it. We finish. After I will finish the initiation after we finish the initiation, the Yahweh Ifa, that is the initiator, the one that the person that initiated, did Itefa, the Awo will remove the Ikode, this Ikode from his head to this neck of the bed. you put it here. You put it there. After they finish the initiation, they finish the initiation. Then they will slaughter the cock to eat, to feast the Osun. This is inside the temple of Viaje, Parte, Ibadan, Nigeria. This is our temple. This is inside the temple. Our temple where we have normal temple service. This is where we have our normal temple service. This is the congregation side. This is the congregation side. This is our choir member side. All the choir used to be here and give all the sing. The holy first song. This is the choir's place. He is the president and the founder of the temple of Viaje of Agbala-Ifa, Apata, Ibadan. That is Eriwoya, Mimo. That is holy. Orunmila, the first savior of the world. The first says that in Egbe Orisa-Oko, chapter 1. This is the pew, the altar, where our president and founder of the Viaje temple used to give us the prayer. We are our temple executive used to sit, our founder and president of the temple, then and the chief priest of the temple, Chief Adekunle used to sit, and other priests of the temple. As you can see the picture showing our founder and the president of the temple, Viaje, with Yeye of Viaje temple, our mama in Washington, from Washington DC, is the founder of Yoruba Temple and Spiritual Enlightenment, Washington DC, Mama Efunyale Pamela Taylor, standing with Oba Fayemi Agbodugbo. You can see the mama with Iroke. This person was standing is the I call him the mentor for Baba Bogumbe. For Oba Fayemi Agbodugbo is the mentor of Baba Bogumbe. He's the teacher for Baba Bogumbe that trained our father. I mean, the founder and the president of this temple is the one that trained Baba Bogumbe. The way we worship, the way we do the service, may his soul rest in perfect peace. That is Amosun, Baba Amosun. Here is another picture of the founder of the Ogungamit temple, Baba